Balancing your nervous system is not just physical, it's emotional, spiritual, and energetic too. When your nervous system is dysregulated, you might feel anxious, shut down, reactive, overwhelmed, or disconnected. Bringing it back into balance means returning to safety, regulation, and presence in your body, breath, and spirit. Here's a gentle, layered guide to help you rebalance your nervous system holistically. Nervous system nourishing prayer, spiritual. Here's a daily 5-minute prayer you can do in the morning or evening to reset and calm your nervous system. Items you'll need: a candle, a glass of spring or rose water, a small bowl of pink salt or earth, a calming herb like lavender, chamomile, or rosemary, even dried. Steps to follow: 1. Light the candle and say, "Spirit of calm, guardian of breath, awaken in me the peace of the earth." 2. Place your hands over your heart or womb and speak, "I release what doesn't belong to me, I call my spirit back. I choose regulation." 3. Sprinkle a few salt grains or herbs into the water. Stir slowly. 4. As you stir, repeat this mantra: "With each breath, I soften. With each beat, I trust." 5. Drink a few sips, or use the water to anoint your forehead, crown, and chest. Burn herbs like ashwagandha, tulsi, holy basil, passion flower, skullcap, or whatever herb you have, it's okay. Play soft drumming, healing frequencies. Silence is equally healing. 5-10 minutes of stillness each day rewires the nervous system for presence.